Hello and welcome back. So we are going to do a drawing video today. So I've got some drawings to kind of show off. But if you've watched some of my old stuff, I can't remember which playlist it's in, but while I think about it, aka look it up, I did a set of a single crystal axe. So it was an axe that was mainly steel but had like crystal embedded in it. I'm just trying to find in my playlist. Cool. So it's in the Meshingabout vlogs, the third, and the first one is called New Place, New Goals. And the video goes for 11 minutes 11 seconds, and it's the start of that crystal axe development. So go ahead and check that out. And although it's not 100%, this is a little sketch of that axe, except it got cut off by the page. But essentially we've got possibly the stone or crystal axe with a metal cover and a metal pole, and just heaps of metal and leather here, and you've got the crystals on the back. And that's how that was designed. So I've been trying to draw the rest of that. So on this page we've got crystals and crystal weapons. So I had a go at drawing some crystals. So we've got a stack here and a single one there, which turned out pretty good. I was just mucking around with like a basic dagger design, and then had a few sword designs here. This didn't turn out very well. Neither did this, but the shape is good-ish. So if you were to get rid of like all the details, you've got like a nice big blade that attaches to the like hand guard thing, and then you've got the rest of the handle, the hilt, sorry, there. And what do we got? Is that, yeah, cool. And a bow, but again, this is too basic, but you've got like the crystals coming off the edge of the bow, and just some wrapping there. So not very good crystals on the corners there as well. But it was just to get an idea of that. Yeah, just a start anyway. And then today, oh, that's something different. And then over the last few days, I've got some other designs. So we've got the crystal hammer, which actually turned out pretty well. And the dagger is not too bad either. So the dagger itself is actually made of steel, and you've just got the crystal accents for like the pommel and the edges of the hilt. So we've got, sorry about that. So we've got a crystal mace, and I both like and dislike this design, mainly because it's too simple. So it's essentially just crystals coming out of a big steel ball. I don't know, it just feels very generic, so there needs to be some work on that. I like this though. This is the spear. So it's got a normal like spear handle, so a grip down the bottom, a grip in the middle, and then the spear head. And then the spear's kind of split into three, like a crystal group, like on the other page, instead of just one, which is cool. And just a basic design, and there might be a gem or something in that black space in there. And then today I tried to do a shield, and it turned out real terrible. So 0 out of 10, really bad crystal shield design. But the concept's not too bad. It just needs obviously a lot of refining So we got a gem or a crystal in the middle, like a big diamond, and then it was going to be split into quarters, and then sort of these parts here, so not the dark part, the lighter part, they were going to be on separate, not layers, but like levels between sort of here and the top. So like a top, a middle, and a bottom, and then the crystal would be inlaid in that. But I don't know, it just like, this is just terrible, but that's fine. And we got the sword. So with the sword, I decided that maybe the crystal would be broken, and then held together with magic, I suppose, because it is for like Warcraft-ish design. So a nice sort of even hilt, and then the blade, one big shard of crystal that's been cracked. So even though it's grey here, if I got an eraser, I could actually rub that out, because it's just pencil. So that would be the plan for that one anyway. I think that's it. But yeah, so just getting some designs down for that, and then gonna build them and probably redo the axe as well. I'll see if I can find a picture of it while I wait. So if so I can kind of show you. But yeah, it's it's coming along. I've always liked that idea, and it will fit in with the crystal spider as well, which is cool. And so I'm just gonna quickly look on my computer. But I don't think I have it. I know it's on my phone, but obviously I can't show you on the phone. Where is it here? No, it's not. It's not here, unfortunately, without going and looking for it further, but that's fine. Yeah, look, the designs are coming on well. There's obviously some refinement. I just wanted to get like at least one of each weapon drawn, and then I can refine them separately as well while I build them. So that's the next plan. But I think that's it for today. So hopefully you've had a good Wednesday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.